Greetings family. Here's another gem. Greetings family. Here's another gem of a fruit. I'm actually so proud of this fruit tree right here because I am the one that actually plant this fruit tree. Actually, there's actually more on the property. I'll let you see in a minute. This is a Noni tree. Okay, this tree right here is one of the most, you know, magical natural fruit you could drink. Is actually used as for its medicinal purposes in Thai, all over the place, New Guinea. This is a Noni. Now, as you notice, they have fallen off the tree. This one is ripe. Usually these are the ones that you drain, all right? Have you see it good. Okay, this is the Noni right here. This one is ripe. This one is green, right? We call them duppy soursop, but it's good for pain, good for joints, good for good lubrication. It's a real, real good product. Now, I'm going to pick them up. Yaganti. Yeah, I'm going to pick them up. So I could make a good Noni juice. Now, you're all over the ground. All over the ground, people. So take a good look at the Noni tree, how it looks. If you have never seen a Noni tree. And here are the actual Noni on the tree. Marvelous, marvelous fruit, people. Marvelous fruits. Show you the green one. And there's some on the ground that are ripe. There's one of them right there. There's a couple more right there. And I'm gonna get some of these off the tree. And I'm gonna set up a bucket of roots out of them, you know. Yeah. Now that's a Noni. People remember it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, you know? It's the Crocus Bag Farmer. And I'm here in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, where I'm actually on the location of the Crocus Bag Farmer Corporation. It's in the making. You're looking at it right there, straight ahead. Yes, straight ahead. That's it right there, people. It's been working on for about 13 years now. So I don't know, joke thing. Now,